Welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, and it ain't above and not under y'all. It's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang slash burping. Mukbang. Y'all welcome back to a mukbang slash burping eating show. Y'all please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all if you like what you see. Yes, y'all. So today we're gonna do a little burping. Some burping on command. Y'all, I've been practicing my burping on command. Don't play. I've been practicing, so we gonna see how that turns out today. So, and I just want to say thanks to anyway, Mr. Baskin. Thank you so much for your donation to our channel. We appreciate you. Love you. Thank you. All right, so let's get started. Today, y'all, like I said, burping on command, and I got some ginger ale. I got 2 of them. So we gonna see what we can do. All right, see what's down there. Yeah, a little something coming out. I've been practicing. Jaleel said, I never thought I'd see the day. Jaleel, if you knew me, you'd say, I never thought I'd see the day too. For real. Because I was the type like, burp? Nah. But to see me practicing burping now, y'all, ooh. Cheers. Let's see. Shoshana, how fast you think I can chug this? You want to time it? Okay. She gonna time it. We gonna see how fast I can chug this. Oh, God. Yeah. Huh? Let me get it. She gonna get it.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Time.
26 seconds.
Ooh.
26 seconds.
20. Oh, whoa. That was quickest.
For how much ounces is that?
It's 16.9. 16.9, and it took me 26 seconds. So how long does it take you to chug 16 ounces of soda, whichever kind? I want to know. Y'all let me know. So, all right, Shoshana.
Okay. I'm
gonna do some burp on commands.
Okay.
For all my burpers out there. So,
yay.
Let's see. Especially Chris. He was so excited.
He say Amazon.
Huh?
He say Amazon.
Amazon? Mm-hmm. Why do you want me to say? Oh, she want me to burp Amazon. Okay.
Good job, Mom.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Did y'all hear it? I want to know. Did y'all hear me say it? Let me try again.
Try saying walking.
Walking?
Yeah.
Walking. That's
I heard walk.
Hold on. I'm gonna do it again. Walking. Oh shit.
That's pretty good.
I mean, that one like whoosh. It just whoosh. Okay, what else? Come on. I'ma say one.
Yeah.
Hold up. Hold up. I think I'm still burping the soda. Hello. who Jaleel is? He's the burping king. And man, know he can burp. Alright. So we're gonna chug this one. We're gonna see. I'm still searching for that ginormous, I mean like blow you out your seat type of belch. I'm still looking for that. I ain't found it yet. It ain't come yet. It ain't come yet. I'm for real. When that comes, you gonna be sitting there and you gonna be lifted out your seat. Then I wanna know. Better comments. Y'all better comment. I love y'all burpers. Ooh, I love y'all. We gonna chug this one again? Alright, come on, let's chug. We're gonna chug this together. Did you get your soda? Alright, so let's chug together because I wanna know y'all time. Alright, Shoshana, time it again.
Again?
Yeah, we gonna see if I could beat that other time.
You ain't even doing a day.
26 seconds. It's okay. It's alright. It's all good. Tomorrow's another day. We go find something. Y'all know I be trying to keep it. I try my best to keep it spicy and, you know, think of stuff to do. Like,
Right.
you ready? Alright, let's go.
Hold on. Sorry. Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh. How long? Dang! Yo, she sucks. As my timekeeper.
14 seconds.
14 seconds as my timekeeper though. Shoshana sucks.
I'm sorry.
She sucks. She takes forever
I'm sorry.
to tell me what time. Hold on. Oh no. Oh, she ready to cut it off. You got to
I'm
wait.
not cutting it off. I'm just know it's gonna be done in a minute.
It is, but you already know it's down there. All that I just chugged, girl, please. I gotta let me do a little bit more burp on command. Shoot, I gotta get that up. Cause once I get off, listen to her. Listen to her. Don't nobody want that? No, nobody want that. I love burping. I love doing these burping videos. Who would have thought? Jaleel, Chris, I hope I made y'all proud. I know they're small, like little tiny ones, but I'm working on it. Slowly but surely, I'm working on it. And I know y'all gonna see the progression as time goes by. So just hang in there with me, y'all know. So yeah, I feel it coming. I told y'all, you can feel it bubbling up down there when you done chugged all that soda. I swear, sometimes after I get off camera, I be having some ginormous ass burps and I be so mad. I be mad as ever. Ooh, I had a little spelling. All right, y'all. So, what? Oh, she got shades on. I will see y'all tomorrow. Love y'all.